enable this secret settings on your iOS 26 right now. So for the first one, we have ask reason for calling. Get to your settings and then from here scroll all the way down, then tap on apps, then from here search for your phone. Simply tap on search bar and search for phone, tap on the phone, and then we'll get to the settings of your phone application. From where scroll down, then we'll get to the option of screen unknown callers, from which you can get the option of ask reasons for calling. If you simply tap on it and enable the settings, now if an unknown number is calling you, it won't directly ring on your phone, but instead it will ask for the reason for calling. So if they are calling you, the system will ask them what's the reason, and all of their voices will be recorded and sent to you through voicemail. And like that, you'll be safe from any kind of spam or scam calls. So for the second one, we have increased contrast. For that, what you're going to do is get to your main settings. Like this, here you can see we are on our main settings. And then from here, scroll down. Then what you're going to do is tap on accessibility. After doing that, here tap on display and text size. Then in here, you can see the option of increased contrast. Simply tap on it and enable it. So after enabling it, instead of the soft blurry edges of the liquid clock, your clock and the buttons will get a little subtle and will have sharp border, which makes the UI look more high-end. So if you go back and simply get to your lock screen, here you can see this is what I'm talking about. So for the third one, we have the ultra dark. For that, what you're going to do is simply get to your settings again, get to your main settings. And from your main settings, scroll down again and then tap on display and brightness. So from here, if you simply tap on liquid glass, here you can see currently clear is selected. If you simply tap on tinted, now tap on turn off and use tinted. Now all of your glass effect will be a little more tinted. If you go back, here you can see it has gotten a little bit darker. So for the number 4, we have hold assist detection. For that, again, we'll need to get to our settings, get to your main settings again, then from here, scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. After doing that, here we'll search for phone and get to the phone settings one more time. And then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can get the option of hold assist detection. If you simply enable this option, if you are put up in hold by someone, your system will let you know, and when you are not in the hold, it will send you the notification. So you won't have to simply be there and keep waiting for them to not put you in hold. So for the fifth one, we have the screen flash for notifications. For that, what you're going to do is get to your accessibility settings. First of all, get to your main settings. Then from here, we have to tap on the accessibility option. Then from here, scroll down a bit until we get to the option of audio and visual. Tap on it. And then from here, scroll all the way down. Then we have the flash for alerts. Tap on it. And previously, there was only the option of LED flash. And when you get the notification, your LED flash will be opened. But for now, if you simply select screen, if you get any kind of notifications, only the side of your screen will glow, which is more convenient. Simply tap on this toggle button and enable it, and now you're all set. And for the sixth one, we have manual camera swipe disable. For that, what we're gonna do is get to our camera settings, go back to our main settings again. And then from here, scroll down, we have the camera option, tap on it. And then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of lock screen swipe to open camera. Simply tap on this toggle button and disable this option. So when you go back and simply lock your screen just like this, here previously, if you swipe to the left, your camera would have been opened. Now there won't be any kind of accidental camera being opened. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.